Yes, we're back on the Norfolk Broads. We picked up our boat at Richardsons boatyard at Stalham. It's the first time that we've been there. Richardsons were very efficient. We were quickly booked in and shown to our boat. We had a quick demo trip to show us the controls and make sure we knew how to moor up, and then we were on our own. Stalham is on the River Ant, and we decided to aim for How Hill, as it looked like there were plenty of mooring spaces there. Sadly, the weather wasn't on our side, and it rained all the way down the River Ant until we reached How Hill, which took just over an hour. The images that you can see of our journey were actually taken on the way back to Stalham, when it wasn't raining. On the way we crossed Barton Broad, which is the second largest piece of open water on the Broads, after Breydon Water. The passage through the Broad is very well signed, so unless you do anything stupid you won't run into trouble, or a mud bank. We followed the sign and rejoined the River Ant. If you do this trip, you'll see some really nice houses by the side of the river as you motor past. Like us, you'll probably wish you could afford one yourself. We arrived at How Hill in the middle of the afternoon. There were several free mooring spots for us to choose. It was still raining, but that didn't seem to bother these swans. But as you saw from my introduction, the rain did stop and the sun came out. There's several things to see at How Hill, and I'll show you some of these in later short videos in this series. There isn't a pub or a cafe here though. The nearest pubs are at Ludham or Ludham Bridge, both of which are a couple of miles away, but nice walks to get there. Or you can just relax on your boat and watch the world go by. One of the Norfolk Broads wherries, Hathor, is usually moored at How Hill. This is one of the 6 surviving wherries on the Norfolk Broads and was built in 1905. While we were moored at How Hill, one of the other 6 wherries came by. This was Albion, built in 1898. One of the interesting places to see at How Hill is the secret garden. In the next video, I'll reveal the secret. It's well worth seeing. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to see more videos from the Country Traveller channel.